Oy vey. One nut had it didn't fit really come off of that. 25, not quite 25 millimeter. I turned this down because it fits this piece and that piece. All of that. 24 threads per inch. So I had to weld that nut up, turn that down so all of my threads match now. There. My threads, my nut. There are no other threads and nut like it. Is mine. 24 threads per inch, but it is actually a one-off size. It's about a dead-on 25 millimeter. Well, yeah, some are almost. It's odd. It's not. So, it's my size. Somebody will find that in the future and wonder who made it. Cuss somebody. That somebody will be me. But there, that size fits. That race right there fits the Yamaha neck bearing, and that fits the Yamaha neck bearing. That's the neck. And right up in here somewhere will be that. I'll have to build a spacer for that, but it's getting there.